All right, so I'm going to show us how we can use our math skills here to solve these trigonometric ratios that we should have been able to identify for these two problems here. So on slide 5, we have this problem here. We identified that the reference angle is 80 degrees. And since we want to know the opposite side and we know the hypotenuse, we're going to be using the sine, since sine is opposite over hypotenuse. And so we have sine of 80 is equal to h over 15. And you can follow me here down here in the bottom corner if you want to see the math steps here. So the first thing I'm going to do is pull up my calculator, and you can do this in Desmos too with the calculator button that's on the top of the slides. There's an icon there. You can sine of 80. Sine of 80 is equal to the ratio of 0.9848. And I'm rounding, I'm using 4 decimal places. That's pretty accurate there. And so the sine of 80 is a ratio, and that ratio is equal to 0.9848. And to solve for my height h, I can use the inverse operation. It's being divided by 15, so undo the divide by 15. I would multiply both sides by 15 there. And h would then equal about 14.77 feet. And I can do the same thing for that second problem there. So we have tangent of 73 is equal to h over 29. 73 is our reference angle, and we want to know the opposite side, and we know the adjacent, so we're using tangent since tangent is opposite over adjacent. Our height there is h, and our adjacent side is 29. And so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my calculator and use the tangent button and type in 73. And I get tangent of 73 is equal to 3.270 round up to 9 is equal to h over 29. And to solve for h, I would multiply both sides by 29. And my value for the height would then be approximately 94.85 feet.